When you are about to program, what do you see? What is it being displayed on the screen? You see those symbols that are there and all those letters that you use that encompasses the main programming words, numbers. And if you want to use a 3D or graphics in JPEG, like, you have to understand how it works. Computer programming is just like a language that we use. As I'm speaking with you, I think if you understand English, you will then get to understand what I am speaking. And if you understand what I am speaking, it means that you are able to understand the meaning of what I said. I can easily use or communicate with you through the language you understand, and then command you to do something, right? Like now, if I ask you, go and buy this for me, you can go to a shop or market to go and buy what I asked you to go and do. That is the same way programming language acts in the computer system, you understand? So at any point that you are writing a computer program, you are now trying to send a computer to execute a particular task. And that task is to carry out and function in the way to solve a particular problem automatically or semi-automatic. Automatic actions are those ones that you use an app to carry out, which you will be an operator. Like when you ask a computer to add 2 plus 2 times 10, it is equals to. It will then, you are the one that type 2 plus 2 times 10. It will now use what a mathematical formula within it automatically using the principles of BODMAS, or let's say bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. All these formulas has been coded inside the computer language for it, and you won't see these actions. You will only see the answer that comes out correctly. It is instead, no, it is an automated action that is semi-autonomous. There is a human being that gives you the command to work on those commands. The human being will type it and ask enter for it to give the result. There is a fully autonomous devices like the robots using artificial intelligence, and these ones act on models and prompts. So now a set of program gives you an application or a software. Meanwhile, set of numerous applications make up a model that is being formed into an artificial intelligence system that works in the form of artificial neural network, a connection of multiple neural network within a system to carry out a particular command autonomously. This is how an automatic system works. The first level autonomous devices were found on the DVD machines. When they finish playing the music, they eject themselves. And the second system was the one that once it finished playing the music, it ejects itself and bring the inner pan out, the inner tray out for you to place the disc. At this time, it's no more using cassettes. It's advanced from cassettes to disc, not the carbon disc, but the optical disc. So now what you do is you just go there and place your digital disc or DVD on it, or VCD. When you place your VCD on it, it drags it. That is an autonomous system as of then, let's say 10 years back, 20 years back. It drags the optical disc that you place on the tray back, retract it into the system, close it, and automatically start playing it. That is a semi-autonomous system, because it still depended on a human interface for it to carry out its that are very advantaged. They might not have any network interferences or bridges, and sometimes political systems, sometimes a fire that is a natural disaster can stop us chances of our classes, So this is how we'll do. Let's just try our best to keep it to time, ask questions. Then on our practical, we will do a project, because our exams is basically on a project. So be ready to face this. So we'll move from one class to the next. I think you have it all. See you next class. I remain James Styles. Have a nice time. Autonomous action. Some partial manual actions, human dependent, and some actions is electronically or digitally dependent. So apart from that, we have a fully autonomous devices. As of now, no matter how fully a device is autonomous, it still has to be reduced to depend on humans' operation, humans' command, humans' interference for it to work autonomously. So we don't have a fully closed loop system in digital devices, because if we do that, there is a fear that these machines will one day take over and fight humans. Whatever you have from this, you ask questions. As we continue, we'll be evolving and getting deeper into automatic systems, softwares, and hardwares, because you cannot make mention of automatic hardware or automatic software without marrying the two of them to form a fully semi-autonomous system and fully autonomous system. Then when on our practical, we will build a DVD that will work autonomously on its own. Please stay tuned and make sure you come to the class on time, because we really do not have much time. Sometimes where I am, network used to, if it's not happening to me, it might happen to any of you in an African environment. There are some people